Okay, so back again, and sadly my last video I just made with the GoPro on my head, it wasn't tilted down far enough for you to see anything that I did. So I'm gonna try to go through it all. Hopefully it's understandable. But anyways, for the grill, the clips that were on your original grill, or you could go O'Reilly's Advanced, wherever, to get clips, go ahead and do that. But I went ahead and got the clips off of my old grill. Now on the old grill, to get the clips out from the very front, there's some squares, as you can see, and there will be another little plastic square, and it looks like you can put a flathead and just turn it, which you can. So to get the clips out, you need a flathead, or anything that'll work like a flathead, but I'd use a flathead. And what you want to do is you want to turn that square left or right to where it can go through that hole, through that square, and it should just pop out like that for all of these. The middle one was a little bit tough. You're gonna have to go through the hole behind where your Nissan badge is, your Nissan emblem, and it will be a little bit tough, but a little bit of a caressing, you will get that out. Now for your new grill, to put them in, use a some type of pliers, anything you can use that won't cut it or destroy it, break it, anything like that. You're gonna want to grab the clip by the tip, in a way, like halfway, where it can close in. Squeeze that in, and you're gonna want to try to match that square up with the other square that's in the brackets for the grill. And then once you get it in there, or at least halfway in, try to turn the clip to where the clip will actually snap into place, or it won't stay there. After that, now the little rail right here that you have underneath the side lamp and the headlight, there will be a screw. Mine didn't come with hardware though, so I had to scavenge around. Luckily, a bolt from that kit right there actually worked. But it's just a bracket that comes off of this headlight at the bottom down here, and this rail right here comes up and meets that hole. Just push your hardware that you got, or if not, find something, I don't know how to explain it, something that'll fit, something that'll actually hold it tight. Zip ties won't work, unless you customize it to a way where you can make it work. But anyways, both sides for that. The top, you don't gotta worry about that, it just clips into place. Middle, it just clips into place as well. Oh, let's go. All right, there you go. That middle one's not really staying in place, but that should be it. If I miss anything, just say something in the comments. Ask me anything about any of this, and I'll try to explain it through the comments. But that should be it. All I got left is that hood to go on, and then I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like with it. So I'll be back in 1 second.